Most drivers waste over $150 a year at the pump, not because they drive more, but because they believe outdated or downright false information. Today, I'll expose 7 fuel myths that you might still believe and show you how to fix them one by one. And if you stick around until the end, I'll give you access to my free 7-point fuel-saving checklist, a simple guide that could save you hundreds every year. Myth 1. Premium fuel always improves mileage. Let's get this out of the way. Premium gas doesn't mean better fuel economy or performance, unless your car's manual specifically says so. Premium fuel has a higher octane level, which prevents knocking in high-performance engines. But for regular cars, it's like feeding steak to a goldfish. You pay 40 to 60 cents more per gallon every time for zero gain. Myth 2. Fill up in the morning for more gas. Sounds clever. Cooler temps equals denser fuel equals more gas per dollar, right? Wrong. Fuel is stored deep underground where temperature stays stable 24/7. Even if it changes a little, we're talking a few cents difference, max. It's not worth rearranging your whole day. Myth 3. Running to empty is smart. Fewer trips to the gas station sounds good until your fuel pump dies. When you run close to empty, your pump loses cooling and lubrication, and it burns out. A replacement? $300 to $500. Refill when your gauge hits a quarter tank and save your wallet. Myth 4. Additives make your car run better. Most gas already has all the required cleaning agents by law. Those miracle fuel additives, mostly marketing. Unless your car is struggling or you're using cheap fuel, they don't do much. Better to spend that $10 to $20 on a proper oil change or air filter. Myth 5. Top off adds extra miles. You hear the click, but keep pumping. Big mistake. Overfilling spills fuel and damages your car's vapor recovery system, which prevents pollution and keeps your system sealed. Fixing that, $100 in emission system repairs. Click equals stop. Myth 6. Idling saves fuel. Nope. In fact, just 10 seconds of idling uses more fuel than a full restart. If you're waiting more than a minute at school pickup, train crossing, or drive-thru, shut it off. You'll save gas, reduce emissions, and extend your engine life. Myth 7. AC doesn't hurt MPG. At highway speeds, AC's fine, but at low speeds or in traffic, it can increase fuel use by up to 10%. Crack a window or switch to vent mode in the city. You'll stay cool and keep more money in your tank. That's 7 fuel myths. And $150 back in your pocket. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. And if you want to stop wasting gas for good, grab your free fuel saving checklist in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video.